Hi everyone, we welcome you back to our channel. This is Legal Mindset at the Bar, and as I promised you, we are continuing with human rights. We said we are going to handle right by right so as to understand them very clearly and tentatively, because they are sacrosanct, they are paramount, and very important for your understanding of constitutional law too. I urge you to subscribe such that we continue. So, in this one, we are going to look at equality and freedom from discrimination. That is Article 21 of the 1995 Constitution. But before we handle it, this is a derogable human right. It means that this right can be limited, it can be taken away, it can be suspended, and it is not absolute. Any day, it can be taken away. So, Article 21, Clause 1 of the 1995 Constitution provides that all persons are equal before and under the law in all spheres of political, economic, social, and cultural life, and in every other respect, and shall enjoy equal protection of the law. All people are equal before the law. And if you continue to Article 21, Clause 2 of the 1995 Constitution, states that a person shall not be discriminated against the ground of sex, race, color, ethnicity, origin, birth, creed or religion, social or economic standing, political opinion or disability. No, the 1995 Constitution says that every person has a right to equality. All people are equal before the law. So, I'm going to give you a number of cases to explain to you the right of equality and freedom from discrimination, such that you understand it clearly. So, we said it is not absolute. It can be taken away at any time. So, if you go on and look at the case of Longway versus Intercontinental Hotel, given the hotel policy of not allowing unaccompanied women by a man into the hotel, but the same hotel allowed unaccompanied men without a woman to enter in the same hotel, court held that that policy was unconstitutional and it was discriminatory, and it court urged it to stop it with immediate effect. All people are equal. Why do you say that women should not come alone? You get? That is the principle in Longway versus Intercontinental Hotel. Now, if you continue to the case of Unity Law versus Attorney General, this is a very technical case and it is going to help you understand the right to equality very well. And in this case, children of a man from a foreign woman were granted citizenship. I urge you colleagues to be attentive. Children of a man, if a man produced in a foreign woman, those children could be granted citizenship. But however, if a woman produced from a foreign man, those children could not be granted citizenship. And the constitution of, although the constitution of Botswana had provided for sex as one of the grounds for discrimination, this was total discrimination. Because why do you favor a man and you don't favor a woman? So, court held that this action was discriminatory and it did not uphold the principle of equality before the law, and it was held unconstitutional. So, Unity Law's argument was valid and the court declared the action unconstitutional. If you continue on to go and look at you can look at other cases Why the case of Sharon Dimache versus Makerere University is a very popular case, but for me, I don't urge you colleagues to rely on it when you're explaining equality and freedom from discrimination, because that case was not a successful claim. Because Sharon Dimache was claiming that uh, the Seventh-day Adventist students were discriminated because on their day of prayers, the university had put their exams. But on other days, like Sunday, other religions could be allowed to pray. So, court found a claim not successful because court stated that there are other universities for Seventh-day Adventist students. Why didn't she join such universities which cater for her? So her claim was not successful. I urge you colleagues to use the cases of Longi versus the Continental Court, which were successful, Unity Do versus Attorney General, which were successful. You can also look at the case of Uganda Women Lawyers versus Attorney General, where the issue was on divorce, grounds for the divorce. So a man could divorce a woman on the grounds of adultery, but a woman could not divorce a man on grounds of adultery. The act favored so much the man, disregarding the women, and that act was the section was repealed and revised. I urge you to look at those cases which were successful than those cases whose claims were not successful. So I also urge you to go and look at instances where the right to equality and freedom from discrimination can be taken away. For example, if you make a crime, they will discriminate you from people. They will imprison you. And again, in prison, if you make another crime, if you have bad manners while in jail, they will also discriminate you from other inmates. They will put you in solitary. So you go and look at that instances. Thank you very much for watching Legal Mindset at the Bar. That was the right to equality. I urge you to subscribe such that we move together.